At number 1, we have the Kai-Tech Loona Pet Bot, taking the number 1 spot for the best AI robot pet of 2026. Unlike desktop companions, Loona moves around your home, creating a dynamic pet-like experience for the whole family. Its AI, powered by GPT-4o, enables natural conversations, making it much more than just a remote-controlled toy. This award-winning innovation combines advanced facial recognition, expressive animations, and intelligent navigation for a complete companion experience. That's why the Kai-Tech Loona Pet Bot is our number 1. Your journey begins here.
At number 2, we have the EMO AI Desk Robot Companion. This isn't just a robot. It's your new lively desktop pet designed to keep you company and bring joy to your workspace. EMO is packed with personality, showing off adorable facial expressions that will melt your heart. Feeling bored? Challenge EMO to a game. It's always ready for some fun and competition. It even becomes a true part of the family, getting along with everyone, including your pets. With advanced sensors, AI, and ChatGPT integration, EMO dances, chats, and learns, always finding new ways to entertain you. Ready to welcome EMO home? Get the complete set and start building your friendship today.
At number 3, we have the Ropet KAMOMO, a robot companion designed to focus much more heavily on the emotional side of the robotic pet experience. While some desktop robots are primarily designed to make you laugh or play games, KAMOMO is intended to feel more like a digital pet that you can interact with, care for, and develop a relationship with over time. The robot responds to touch, voice, and gestures, giving you several different ways to interact with it. Its expressive design is intended to make those interactions feel more natural and emotionally engaging. One of the most interesting aspects of KAMOMO is its focus on personalized companionship. Rather than simply performing the same animations every time, the concept is centered around developing a more individual relationship through repeated interaction. The softer, more pet-like design makes it particularly interesting for users who want something that feels more like a companion than a piece of technology. This makes it a good option for someone who wants a robot that reacts to attention rather than simply waiting for commands. From the little moments to the important ones, KAMOMO keeps them close to heart, building a deeper bond with every interaction. For buyers who want something that sits between a traditional stuffed pet and a sophisticated AI gadget, KAMOMO is one of the more distinctive options available.
Start the video with, at number 4, we have the AI Desktop Companion. Coming in at number 4 is the Louie robot, an unusual AI desktop companion that takes a very different approach from traditional robot pets. Instead of relying entirely on a built-in screen, Louie works together with a compatible smartphone. Your phone effectively becomes part of the robot's face and visual interface, creating an expressive character that can communicate with you from your desk. Louie combines AI conversation with physical movement, gestures, visual understanding, and personality. Its ChatGPT-powered voice interaction allows you to have conversations with the robot, ask questions, exchange ideas, or simply chat with it when you want some digital company. The visual awareness system is another major attraction. Louie can use the smartphone's camera to understand people, objects, gestures, and elements of its surroundings. This gives the robot a much more dynamic personality. Louie also includes expressive animations and physical movements that work together with the phone's display, making the interaction feel considerably more character-driven. Its compact design also makes it suitable for a workspace, gaming setup, bedroom, or home office. If you're looking for an AI companion that combines ChatGPT-style conversation, visual recognition, and a distinctive personality, Louie is one of the most unusual options in this category.
At number 5, we have the Energize Lab Eilik. This isn't just a robot. It has a real expressive personality and feels real emotions. Its compact size is perfect for any desk, and it loves to interact, responding to your touch. Ready to play? Eilik dances, plays games, and is always ready for some fun. And the fun gets even better when Eiliks get together to interact and play. The perfect, affordable entry point into the world of robotic companions. Meet Eilik, your new best friend.